Paul Hertz, Director of the Astrophysics Division of the NASA, shared at IMGUR this amazing statement about aliens. He said, "So again no, we didn't discover aliens on Europa. This shouldn't come as a huge shock to anyone. We told you repeatedly that today's announcement wouldn't be about aliens. But every time we do one of these things with the press, inevitably you guys think it's going to be about aliens. So I will let you in on a little secret. NASA will literally never hold a press conference announcing we have discovered aliens. Aliens are going to discover us, and when they do it won't be pretty. You can take that to the bank. There certainly won't be enough time for a press conference about it. You probably won't even have time to blink. Just a hot white flash in the sky and then lights out. As far as the universe is concerned, relatively speaking, we are infants. Lord knows we act like it. I mean, you guys see the same garbage we do, right? Would you tolerate any of this? I know as sure as shit wouldn't. Not even for a second. We are basically infants, and when the adults show up, and they show up soon or later, it's game over. Best case scenario, we wipe ourselves off the face of the planet before they get a crack at us. You want an announcement about aliens? Here it is. Be careful what you wish for. If you guys knew even a fraction of the shit we do, you will never sleep again. I promise you that. Paul Hertz, Director of the Astrophysics Division at NASA. Follow the link below this video to read this amazing statement at IMGUR.